Cannes Film Festival, it's a whole week of affairs, different events, and different, things to do. Pagkadating mo sa araw ng awards night, sasabihin nila kung yung team mo, so yung pelikula mo, papapuntahin pa sa loob or hindi. Kasi masyadong maraming bisita. And then, sinabi na papuntahin kami. So, nung nalaman namin yun, lahat kami or kami ng ninanay, talagang sa usap-usapan, so baka may mapapanalunan tayong award. Kasi, bakit tayo sinama, di ba? Bakit pa tayo kailangan papasukin doon? Pero kahit isa, walang nakapag-blurt out na baka si nanay mananalo ng... It was too far out.
It was not top of mind na baka manalo si Jacqueline, si Jane.
Kasi ang laki masyado ng Best Actress yun major award yun. So nung tinawag siya, walang prepared. Wala sa amin ang prepared. Like, grabe yung reaction naming lahat ni nanay. It was so funny kasi yung bibig niya, yung nakabukas na, ganun yung reaction ni nanay. Yung talagang, hindi niya alam anong gagawin niya. Si nanay nga, like what I said, diba? Kakaiba siyang work of art. Like, there's never a time na you can intimidate her. You cannot make her get nervous. She's not that type of person. She's always so confident and secure in, how she wants to portray herself.
But that moment,
she was left, like, as in, wala, speechless. Isang thing lang ang hindi niya kinalimutan. Hilain ako. Ako, ayokong, like, co-actor mo lang ako dito, no? Hindi ko kailangang sumama, pero hindi. Sasama ako. Siya ang nagsabi nun. Sasama ako, aakyat ako kasama niya. And syempre si Direk Dante, ano ka ba? Di ba? Basically, I was just like looking around, like staring at all these people. And all these people are not nobodies, huh? These people are, wow, like successful people in the film industry in the whole world. They were all applauding my mom. Wow. This moment, I feel like, yung sa mga pelikula na parang invisible cuts, nilagay ka sa isang scenario para mapanood mo yung pangyayari. I didn't feel like I was there because I knew it was not my moment, All of these emotions were I was just so full of pride for my mom.
you remember the hand extending to you, the grip, when she wanted you to go on stage.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah. And that's yun yung pinaka parang vivid na memory na naaalala ko. Hindi yung pag-akit ko, hindi yung itsura ko, or kung ano yung nangyari nung makik kami sa stage. It was when my mom said, "Come on, Andy, like let's go to the stage."